I do have weapons.
You have a weapon inside there?
Absolutely.
What kind of weapon do you have in there?
I have a 380.
Okay, long story.
My husband's a cop! My husband's a cop! My husband's a cop! I'll make sure you run. I'll ruin you. My husband's a cop. I make sure I'll ruin you, you cunt.
It seemed like all of her importance relied on the fact that her husband was a cop.
Yeah, my husband's a cop.
May 5th, 2023, Summer Police Department. A traffic stop that started simple turned into a masterclass of what not to do. When you see those blue lights, the question tonight, can dropping your spouse's badge number save you from a DWI arrest? Spoiler, it cannot. Let me set this up. Sergeant Curley pulls over a Jeep for weaving between lanes. Before he even gets to the window, he has reasonable suspicion under Terry versus Ohio. Erratic driving gives him the right to investigate. But here is where it gets interesting. The driver's husband is a cop, and she thinks that matters.
This rich woman is the epitome of entitlement. You'll soon see why.
Hi, Sergeant Curley, Summer Police Department. You're being recorded. How are you doing?
Great, how are you?
What's going on today? Why are you all over the roadway and then you got the lane of travel?
Can I go home?
Okay, but you're in that lane of travel. Back there.
But when it comes to this, I've known this trafficking.
Okay. Can you go ahead and shut the vehicle up for me? Do you have a driver's license?
I do.
Do you have a driver's license?
I do.
Can I see it, please? Can I see your driver's license, please?
I do.
Is this a friend of yours over there? He's a police officer? What?
Yeah,
Okay. Have you been drinking alcoholic beverages tonight, man? Have you been drinking alcoholic beverages?
No.
Any reason for your mannerisms tonight?
No.
Any reason for your slow reaction to things?
Absolutely not.
Can you go ahead and step off the car for me?
I will not.
You will not? Okay, that's fine. I'm going to wait for another unit and we'll have a conversation, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have an insurance and registration for the vehicle?
Absolutely do.
Can you get those for me, please? There's no weapons inside, correct?
I do have weapons.
You have a weapon inside there?
Absolutely.
What kind of weapon do you have in there?
I have a 380.
Okay, long story. Keep away from that for you. You have a concealed weapons permit?
Yeah,
Are you a police officer?
yeah,
You're not? Okay, good. All right, man. I'm going to place you under arrest for DUI. Go ahead and step out of the car for me. Just step out of the car for me, please. You're under arrest.
Whatever you want.
You're under arrest. Step out of the car for
Whatever
me.
you want.
You're under arrest. Step out of the car for
Whatever
me.
you want, sir.
Go ahead and step out of the car for me, ma'am.
You set me out of the car.
Ma'am, are you going to come out of the car on your own?
No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. And you know it.
The contact phase tells you everything. She is repeating his questions back to him before answering. That cognitive delay, officers are trained to spot it. It is a classic impairment indicator. When he asks about alcohol, her first response is not yes or no. It is just the word man. That is not how sober people answer direct questions. Now here is the legal turning point. He asks her to step out of the vehicle. She refuses flat out. Under Pennsylvania versus Mimms from 1977, an officer conducting a lawful traffic stop can order you out of the car, period. No additional justification needed beyond the stop itself. Her refusal has zero legal foundation. Human thinking says, why not just comply and sort it out later? But here is the counter-argument people make. If I get out, I am admitting guilt. Wrong. Mimms specifically addresses this. The Supreme Court said officer safety trumps your inconvenience. Getting out of the car is not an admission of anything. It is compliance with lawful authority. She discloses a .380 caliber handgun in the vehicle, loaded, one in the chamber. That firearm disclosure changes everything from a tactical standpoint. It justifies every safety measure. The sergeant takes from this point forward, officer safety is not just policy, it is Constitutional law under Graham versus Connor.
Step out of the car for me now. Thank you. Oh, careful. Careful.
Oh, that's
Turn around.
not.
Place your hands behind your back for me.
Jesse. Jesse.
Ma'am, sir, you're aware you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to your lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned.
I'm excited. I'm grateful.
You understand those?
Yeah.
As I explained, you already asked for an attorney, so I'm not going to ask you any further questions.
Just keep walking, ma'am. Towards my car back here.
Really?
Towards my car. Keep walking.
Jesse,
Keep walking.
don't
Towards me.
touch me like that.
Get in the car.
Do you
Sit in
think
the
you
car.
are?
Sit in the car. Move.
Yeah, I love your cunt. You're gonna suck.
He is her husband, and before they stopped their vehicles, he had shown the officer his middle fingers.
Yeah, okay, just so you're aware. Any reason why you were stepped out of your vehicle on Main Street and getting out of your vehicle and putting your fingers up in the air to everybody to see?
Any reason for that?
Yeah.
No.
Exiting your vehicle in her lane
I
trial.
just had to give her stuff,
Okay.
but that was it.
The other side of it is for somebody making a gesture. Do you have anything else you need?
No.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
But he's got out at Main Street down there, put two fingers up in the air.
They put us in our own pits.
Step out.
Good, yeah. Let's see how you put us in our own pits.
You urinate back here?
Yeah, where's my husband?
Your husband's not here. Okay.
Oh my god, go f
Step out right
yourself.
here for me.
Good. Good. I can't wait.
Call me inside.
Good. Oh my god. I'm sorry for my husband to see this. I can't wait for my husband to see this.
You go to the west here.
Your way.
You can just sit in this little chair over here.
Good.
It's right here for me.
No.
Just need you to sit down, ma'am.
Love you. What's your name?
My name is Officer Iverson.
Good.
I'm just trying to help you, ma'am, okay?
I will love you in my end.
Stand up. Put your arms behind your back.
I'm sorry. No,
We'll just recuff you, okay?
Please. Stop. I'm sorry.
Are they too tight?
It hurts.
I can do two of them if that makes it easier. Is that better?
That's really much better. Oh my god. Oh my god, thank you.
Please just don't jump out of the cuffs, okay?
I'm sorry.
Can you just take a seat back for me, okay?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Worst part about it is that my husband.
Can you sit back down for me, ma'am?
My husband
Do you hear me, ma'am?
is,
Can you sit back down for me?
but my husband
Yeah, if
is.
you're not going to cooperate, you're going to go in the room, okay? Sit back down on the chair for me. Are you going to sit back down?
No, I need to.
All right, go in this room.
No. I don't do it. Please.
Stop it. Put your hands behind your back right now.
Stop.
Put your hands behind your back.
Please stop.
Somebody wants to
Help me. Help me. Stop. I'm not doing anything here.
Put your hands behind your back. Stop it.
No.
Put your hands behind your back. Stop.
I won't.
Stop resisting.
No. No. Why?
Put your hands.
You're wrong.
Put your hands behind your back.
No. Justin!
Put your head behind your back. Put your... Is that locked? Stop!
You're wrong.
Put your hands behind the back. Please.
The arrest announcement is clear and unambiguous. Driving while intoxicated. Step out of the car. She asks, "What do you want?" 6 different times. He tells her 6 different times. Each refusal is building her legal hole deeper. Failure to comply with a lawful order during a traffic stop. That is a separate chargeable offense in most jurisdictions. Physical removal happens. The force used is minimal, guiding hands, controlled movement, no takedown. Under Graham, we judge force by objective reasonableness. Was this reasonable given her repeated refusals? Absolutely. A defense attorney could argue escalation, but that argument dies when you watch the timeline. He gave her every opportunity to comply. Miranda administration starts while she is walking to the car. She interrupts him. She is agitated. She is likely intoxicated. Here is the legal question that matters. Were these warnings effectively communicated? He reads them correctly, but comprehension is a different issue. A good defense attorney will challenge whether she could truly understand her rights in that moment. The husband shows up. Before the stop, he gave the officers the middle finger from his vehicle. That is protected speech under City of Houston versus Hill. You can flip off a cop. It is rude, it is stupid, but it is constitutional. However, it does not create goodwill, and goodwill is what professional courtesy runs on. He burned that bridge before this even started. She keeps saying my husband is a police officer like it is a magic phrase. Let me be direct about this. Professional courtesy, the practice of cutting breaks to law enforcement families, is not law. It is culture, and it is corrosive culture. The law applies equally or it applies to no one. She fundamentally misunderstands how the system works. Human thinking here. Maybe the sergeant could have extended that courtesy. Counter-argument. He has probable cause for DWI. She has a loaded weapon. She has refused lawful orders. And she is actively resisting. At what point does courtesy become obstruction of justice? The answer is right about here.
Kill you! I'll 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 find a way! I'll kill you, you piece of
This one.
yeah, sir.
Let's double lock.
Oh my God! My husband's a cop! My husband's a cop! My husband's a cop! My husband's a cop! I'll make sure you run. I'll ruin you. My husband's a cop. I make sure I'll ruin you, you cunt.
It seemed like all of her importance relied on the fact that her husband was a cop.
Yeah, my husband's a cop. You with the wrong Mexican. Yeah, you cunt. Let loose now, you. I'll ruin your entire life. I'll ruin your mother. Get the fuck. I'm a cop's wife. I'm a cop's wife. I'm a cop's wife.
Hey,
How dare you touch me?
Wimmer, can you grab Hobble?
Look at me up. Look me up. No. 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 I swear to God,
Stop.
you loosen me up.
This one.
I'm a cop's wife. You.
They're double.
I'm a cop's wife. I'm a cop's wife. You. So ruin your life.
Walk on this one. Just go.
Yeah, she's good.
No. You better help me. You better help me. Oh my God. Get you you. Let me let go. Let me let go. Let me let go. It hurts. I didn't do anything.
We can get her up. Let's get her seated.
So roll your arm onto your side. Keep your legs out in front of you. Okay. And then 1, 2, 3, we're up.
Oh my God.
Have a seat, please. Just sit down. Okay.
Thank God, thank God, thank God.
Just keep seated, okay?
No.
Just keep seated.
They're gonna kill me.
You're okay.
Okay. Do you wish to talk to an attorney?
Absolutely.
Okay. As soon as you get to jail, you can talk to an attorney, okay?
You're goddamn right.
All right. Perfect. We're going to get you medically cleared. You'll be fine. Then you can go up to jail.
Hi. How are you?
What's going on? Let's go check out, okay? Cooperate with them, please.
What'd you do to your head?
But you do it.
I didn't touch you, so
Is
that's
there
why I'm
something wrong
asking.
with
You want to know?
Let's go check it out.
Okay. You get the corner of that.
Are you hurt?
Once you just find
No.
You don't know? Okay.
Is something wrong?
Where'd you guys take me?
DWI.
Is something wrong?
We're just asking you because we don't know how you feel, so I'm asking.
Yeah, thank
I'm asking you if you hurt anywhere.
It hurts my wrist.
Your wrist.
I can't do it.
You hurt anywhere else?
I've got carpal tunnel tendons. I can't do it.
I'm gonna adjust your shirt, okay? Is that okay?
But I can't do my wrist. It hurts.
There, you'll cover it up a little better.
Self.
No, we were waiting.
We're Americans here.
Take a look at your
It
stuff.
hurts.
I know, it's gonna squeeze, but if arm, it won't hurt so bad, okay?
One of the officers found a loaded gun in the woman's Jeep.
All right, Glock pistol. It is a 380 Glock 42. Show number Adam Young, Paul 785. It has a fully loaded magazine, 6-round magazine, and it has one in the chamber. This one was removed from the chamber. 6 full magazine. Firearm secured. Secured for safety really quick.
The firearm gets inventoried. Glock 42, 380 caliber, 6 rounds in the magazine, 1 in the chamber. That weapon was accessible during the entire initial contact. Every officer safety protocol the sergeant followed, the delayed approach, the backup call, the careful commands, all of it justified by this discovery. She refuses the breathalyzer. That is her right, but it comes with automatic administrative penalties in most states. License suspension, usually 6 months to a year. Regardless of whether the criminal charges stick, people think refusing the test helps them beat the case. Sometimes it does. More often, it just adds another penalty you cannot fight. Medical assessment happens. Paramedics check for head injury. She gives mixed signals about consent. Here is why this documentation matters. If she later claims excessive force caused injury, this medical evaluation becomes Exhibit A for the defense. No significant trauma found. Extensions in her hair, not scalp injury, everything documented, everything protected. Let me assess the sergeant's performance. His patience is remarkable. 6 verbal commands before physical contact. Miranda administered, even though she is combative. Firearm secured properly. Medical care offered and refusal documented. The only weak point, and it is minor, is whether those Miranda warnings were truly comprehended given her state. But technically, he did everything right. Now her performance. She took a bad situation and made it catastrophic. The DWI might have been fought in court. The refusal to exit added charges. The physical resistance added more. The verbal abuse throughout, more evidence of intoxication and poor judgment. By the end, she is Facing assault on an officer, DWI, she built that outcome herself. The husband's role deserves mention. Flipping off cops before a traffic stop shows judgment issues. Not intervening when his wife is escalating shows either wisdom or cowardice. Depending on your perspective, he knew she was in the wrong. He knew professional courtesy would not apply here. He stayed out of it. Smart legal move. Terrible marriage moment. Final charge, assault and DWI. The assault likely comes from her physical resistance during the arrest. Some jurisdictions charge that as battery on a law enforcement officer, which carries enhanced penalties. What started as a traffic stop for weaving turned into multiple felonies. Every decision she made after that initial refusal compounded the damage. Lesson 1. Comply now. Contest later. Pennsylvania versus Mimms, a settled law. When an officer orders you out during a lawful stop, you get out. Fighting that order on the roadside gets you exactly nowhere except additional charges. Your remedy is the courtroom, not the street. Save the legal arguments for your attorney, not the arresting officer. Lesson 2. Professional courtesy is not a legal defense. If you are the family member of law enforcement, understand this. Your connection creates expectations, but zero legal protection. The officer who stops you still has a job to do. Invoking your spouse's profession might work in some departments with some officers for minor violations. For DWI with a loaded weapon and active resistance, it will never work. Lesson 3. Know your rights, but also know the cost of exercising them. You can refuse field sobriety tests. You can refuse a breathalyzer. But those refusals trigger automatic administrative penalties that bypass the criminal court. Entirely, the DMV does not care about reasonable doubt. They care about refusal. Your license gets suspended either way. Choose your battles with that knowledge in hand. The law does not bend for badges, family connections, or emotional appeals. It applies based on probable cause, reasonable suspicion, and objective evidence. Sergeant Curley had all three. She had none. The outcome was inevitable from the moment she said, "I will not." Everything after that was just documentation of poor choices under pressure.
Do you have extensions in? Yeah.
Yes, I have extensions.
Okay, I'm not gonna mess with them. I just want to make sure that maybe that's what's going on.
Is,
Yeah.
It does look like it's kind of coming from there, but I
underneath.
don't see like any
No.
scalp like any split or anything. Not that I can tell.
No, I don't see any.
Good, I'm not trauma in my extensions. I'm excited about that. Next subject.
We don't have to check you out if you don't want us to. Can we look at it?
Can we keep kind of assessing you, or are you not wanting to
Oh, you go
have any?
for it.
Okay.
Can you just keep your head real still, just so we can shine a light and make sure that everything looks okay?
No, she struggled with the scalp with the officer. And she
My husband's a police officer. Go yourselves. So you're all, he's gonna talk
Where's he
shit
work?
to you. Yeah, he probably talk shit to you.
Yeah, we're not police officers. We're
Yeah,
just
good.
firefighters.
Now, do it. He's police and officer, firefighter. So, guy, he's a big double sword. And
Okay.
he gets to talk double shit.
Are you feeling any pain besides?
No, I'm not. I'm not. Nobody listens to me. Not even a cop. Hi.
I still got to provide medical aid now.
Thank you. Good. He's a husband, and he's one of you guys, and he's a say this is crazy. Oh, apparently I'm handcuffed, so
Yeah.
Yeah, you're still.
You want your glasses up?
just do, yeah. You do that.
Yeah. Is that better?
Good.
Oh, you know what?
Good.
Let me help you. It's
Good.
not on your ear. That's
Yeah,
why. Is that better?
I will
I have to go back and make it as strong as possible.
give it to me. Give it to me.
Yeah.
Give it. Yeah. But it's like it's not working.
So Amber, you don't want to go to the hospital with us. We're just gonna have you acknowledge that you don't want to go. We're just.
How do you know this?
We're just gonna call our doctor.
You're
E-R-A-K-E.
Yes, sir.
Last name.
Jimmy.
Let me go get the phone real quick. Okay.
I'm gonna cry. I can't see you. You're killing me. I love you. I'm gonna cry. You're literally me. I can't cry.
Sam, we're gonna walk the car.
Fall down.
We're gonna go back in the patrol car, okay?
Take small steps.
I don't know what I'm doing. No.
You're good. Just keep walking, okay?
Oh my God, no.
It's right here to the car, okay?
So bad. Bad.
Watch your step.
This is so
Watch your
bad.
step. Don't fall. Just take a seat back in
This
here.
is so bad.
You want to stay there? I'll pull the seatbelts over.
Oh, this sucks, and I know it. I've been there. Oh my God. Oh my God. I should at least have some socks on.
Yeah, I'll give you socks, ma'am.
I don't have socks on. Baby, my feet, I get cold. Oh, look at that. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. All right, now. Will you kiss me?
Thank you, ma'am.
Wait, oh no. Roll the window down. Jesse, roll the windows down. I need to breathe. I mean it! Roll the window down!
She was charged with assault and DUI. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click to watch now.
If there is a case you think deserves this kind of analysis, let us know in the comments. The Constitution does not enforce itself. That is what these cases are for. Thanks for watching.